chamfer foil, premium's eye hole chamfer foil. I'm gonna create a little bit look on that so it looks stunning, but it doesn't look too boring. So I'm gonna using premium's eye hole chamfer foil, cover completely the nail thin coat, cure for 30 seconds. All right, and I cut this piece out of one of the collection is solids, 10 different colors for solids chamfer foil. I took some of them out because I cut it, but should I do blue? Which one do you want to see though? If I put this one, it looks like maybe I should do this. Everybody help. It feels like if I put this, it looks like muddy grass nail. Or maybe I'll just do a green only. How about that? It looks like for a spring theme. Crinkle it. And if you have a piece of tweezers, like the tweezers here, you can, or if you can just hold it with your nails. But if you have a long nails like me, just use these tweezers. It's really make a difference. That's it. I don't know where the green come from, but oh, I should do yellow, huh? Gold, but it's okay. It looks good anyway. I can't wait to next, like maybe in the next few videos, we're gonna start painting bunnies. I'm gonna show with really simple few strokes. You're gonna create the cute bunnies. So let's do that in the next few video. I'm so excited. Okay, if you want more or you want to have a bigger pieces like chamfer, you just open this one up and chamfer it. But I just want it enough so then it doesn't cover my light purple, lavender, lilac, I think. And I am going to using my biggest size of the strips. And biggest size. I'm gonna give it a little trim. Just hold it here so you can see all. My little scissors right there. Trim it. I'm not touching that. Just put it right in the cuticle area. Good. Give a little bit pressures right here. And trim it. Oh, I didn't even trim it. I just tried to adjusting it and it just come right off. Put it here so it won't stick everywhere. Just really simple strips right there. If you want to do more, you can. And let's do some just quick, simple crystal placements on it. Just right here. So then it doesn't covers a lot of my, look at that. What do we got here? Should I open this mix bag earlier? But the next nails I'm gonna do is mix this mix bag. Might as well just open it. I'm gonna open this one and see how many we get a lot in here. Can you turn on this one for me? I'm gonna open that. Hey Chanel, how are you? Hey Foxy, thank you so much. In the meantime, I'll open this. I'm gonna using my condensed glue gels. Again, I put it upside down. This freaking condensed glue gel is stay in one place, so it's not south level. So when you place crystals, charm chains, and everything is holding all your crystals, your charm, your chains, and any accessory, even like encapsulating my neon strips along with crystal placement. So if you're first time using our condensed glue gel, do not afraid of to blend them out nicely because they are so thick density. So they will, sometimes they're gonna make you afraid of like, oh my God, it's so thick. Why is What happened? This okay. Get the new one. And then I'm gonna using a top coat, no wipe top coat. Thank you, Sarah. Sarah will share with you with the special code if you need to get a discounts, a big discounts, or 15% off most products. And I have the cool bag over here. I'm gonna pour it in. There's so many. As I said, if the first time you get this, do not overwhelming. I am myself experience it like that. So here I'm telling you troubleshootings when you feel it like that. Do not like feel too much overwhelming. What you just need to do is simple. Get the extra tray. I do get using like 2 or 3 tray. This one over there. And I will doing just a little bit and separate them out. So then I start seeing like, oh my God, I can see in this shape, it looks like Easter eggs, you know? So a lot of cool things that we're gonna do. Okay, no wipe top coat on the top. I think I didn't put it yet. If I do, then I might forget, but I think I didn't. No wipe top coat. Now I start playing with some of my crystal placement first. I'm so excited. Should I do? What should I do? Like, I know what I want to do, but I want to see you what you want to do. Oh, this one is cute. I like that. It looks like it's like Easter eggs. Oh, sorry. Just like going to the toys like store. This one, oh, I can't wait to show you how to do it natural stone as well. You know what? I'm gonna do this big one, might as well, because it's gonna glow. No, because then it's blending into it. I do this one. Ah, I got it. Looks so awesome. Like I pick and said, oh, I got my favorite one. See, is that how I got 2 trays to work on it? It's great because then you have an idea of what you want to pick. So I'm gonna do my 2 of this right here. No, just smaller size. I feel like I'm like Sarah. She keep like, oh, see what I got. As you start picking like 5 more crystals, it's like you go into hunting like treasure in the tray to see what you got. I was like so excited. And then your brain start turning, like when you are first seeing it, it's overwhelming. But after you take one of our class, you will see this gonna be master your mind. Like when you see this, your brain is start like turning and so, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. So I'm gonna do it right here, but not too close to the cuticles because then it might catching on stuff. I'm using some of my beads right there. And every time you get the mix bag, there are so many new and stunning elements in there, and it's trendy, up to date. Okay, so and then this is selling really fast. So whenever you get a new collection, like if you get your mix bags in last year or last month, or is update so fast as along with so many different designs, so you are never out to date. If you are the first time playing or doing crystal placement and you will start getting like so confused, you don't know what to do, what new trend, check out all this mix bag. This mix bag will take you to exactly what trend is you would like. And then for instance, I work with color of the year. And for 2020, is like you will never go wrong with that because it's guiding you exactly what your design is gonna be, and then we're just doing it as a really good tool for you, and then you have your creativity and you just turn into a masterpiece, and no one else has it but you and your clients. So I'm so happy with this. I am going to keep this for 60 seconds unless you want something else. I think it looks good. I don't want to cover completely my strip because they're so cute. All right. Hey, now bye, Jenny. Hi, Mrs. Sampsons. Yes, I know Sarah. Sarah's like this. She gets so many in her tray. We like keep going to this because this one's stunning, and it would give you like at least 20 nails if you do the design I just did. Or if you watching some of my live video before, you know how many nails you can get out of this bag, for especially for beginners and you start doing crystal placement. There's so many, unless you're doing like blinks out completely nails, but I'm bet with you, you can bling out at least like 10 nails for this with all the diamonds, crystals, and special metal piece. And then you have your crystal AB, you have your glow in the dark in like a it's a theme. Dragon scale. You can do so many now with this dragon scale. So I don't know. I'm like, you have to experience it yourself. I have 2 tray right here. So as I always share my tip and trick, whenever you feel overwhelming, I would do it like this. I'll pull a hole and tie this, and I usually after I open this bag, I only have my really good container to keep it from a dust. I don't leave it here out in the trays, like unless I'm doing live video with you, but then I keep it really nice so then it's nice and shiny. Just some quick tip and trick, okay? So if I do with the clients, I would usually pour it's a little bit small portion into the tray because one of these bags is have so many, like so many. Some of the bag you will see you have like fine with the beads and a lot of others crystal. So I am going to using one of my crystal besties, precision glue. If you're first time tuning in with Glitz accessory and such, welcome. And if you are tuning in every night with us, thank you so much for the love and support. We're so thrilled to have you every night. It's like I got to share with you, like Sarah and Vicky and Brad, they're so passionate about. And if you are looking for the class, is really, we have so many inquiries and question about class is for crystal placement, for nail art. We came back from so many every time with the class. We still keep in touch with a lot of our students and watching and seeing their growth is amazing. It is absolutely amazing. They grow 100% if it not more. So I just using my needles and go along with the size, and I kind of checking like a little bit scratchy here and there. I squeeze just a little bit. If I squeeze it, I'm examine it first. I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit. Right, let me show you on the top of my nail. You see that? Just that. You don't need a whole lot. One of this bottle will go a long way. Also, this can be used with the little tiny little crystal, like if you have a little SS4 like I have here, you can really using that on the other end, which is the other end is a little brush, really nice. You can apply it on and place some crystal small on it. So I'm using a little light brush from Twin Tip Brush, and I'm cleaning, I'm blending it, the extra glue gels from Precision Glue to blend it really nicely. So when you cure it, it's gonna be completely nice and flawless look. So it's instead of lumpy, bumpy look. So I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds, okay? Hi, Bana. Nail by Jenny, the class is going on. How long does your set last? My